So these couple of days, I've been trying out keyboard and mouse, and my keyboard hasn't really been that good. So I decided to get a new one. So the keyboard I've been using is the Ala S75 Pro, and it's actually one of the best keyboards I've ever had. And this is the new keyboard I just got. Keyboard has rapid triggers, so it has a 0.001 response time.
Wow!
What I really like about this keyboard
Blah
is the
blah
size.
blah blah blah
It's
blah
not
blah
60% of my
blah.
old keyboard. It's a really keyboard. Now I'm going to be testing my old keyboard to see how good my free build really is. Alright, now I'm going to be trying the new keyboard. Thank you guys for watching the video. Peace!